Don't make ugly thank you slide in Microsoft PowerPoint ever again. Instead, make this type eye-catching slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So in this video, you are going to see how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, go to Gradient Fill, select Preset Gradients and select this one. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here thank you. Select it, change the font to Team A and make it 180 points and place it like this. Now select the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. Go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and select Offset Center. Now go to Animation, go to Add Animation and click on Grow and Shrink. Go to Animation Pen, go to over here, go to Effect option, change the size, click on over here and make it 120%. Click on Auto Reverse, go to Timing, make the duration 5 seconds and go to Repeat and until end of the slide and click on OK. Click on over here and make it with previous. Now I have to add a picture. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. I am going to insert a picture from my computer. Let me select this picture, click on right button and send it to back. Now let me watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.